Welcome to the ADHD Task and Habit Planner 2.0. This is a connected 16-tab system for planning tasks, choosing the next action, building habits, and reviewing progress. In this tutorial, I will use the workbook in real time. Watch the pointer as it moves through the tabs, selects input cells, enters a new task, updates a habit and a goal, and then checks the automated planning views. Begin on the Start Here page, then move to Setup. The workbook follows a simple path. Enter tasks once, let the formulas organize them, plan the day, and review the results. Setup contains the labels and lists used throughout the file. You can change categories, people, priorities, and other labels to match your own routine. The normal input areas are designed for editing, while calculated areas should be left alone. Now open Master Task Input. This is the main place to add work. I am moving to the first available row and entering a real example. Prepare the July product launch. I add the category, priority, status, start date, due date, preferred time, duration, recurrence, owner, and energy level. Notice that I do not type into the calculated columns on the right. Days left, progress, and focus score are produced by the workbook. This one-row entry becomes the source for several other tabs, so you do not need to repeat the same task in multiple places. Next, open Today Auto. This view ranks the most useful tasks for the day. High priority, urgency, energy, and timing are combined into a focus score. The pointer highlights the top rows first, then the do first, do next, and later zones. Instead of searching through the full database, start with one visible action. When the task status changes, the daily view and related summaries respond automatically. The ADHD Focus Board reduces decision fatigue even further. It separates a short list into do first, do next, and later. The goal is not to display every possible task. The goal is to make the next action obvious. Use the first column when attention is strongest. Move to the second column after the first block is complete, and leave low-impact ideas in the later column until they are truly needed. The daily, weekly, and monthly planners turn the task database into realistic time blocks. Use the daily page for immediate scheduling, the weekly page for workload balance, and the monthly page for deadlines and larger milestones. The pointer is showing the planning areas rather than the formula sections. Enter only the information that belongs to your routine, and keep the system simple enough that you will continue using it. Now open Habit Tracker. Each row is one habit, and each date is a simple check-in. I am selecting a blank daily cell and adding a check mark. The completion count, success percentage, and streak are calculated from these daily entries. This is intentionally simple. Check the habit when it is completed, review the percentage, and continue. The tracker rewards consistency rather than perfection. Next, open Goal Tracker. A useful goal includes a target, a current value, a due date, and a next action. I am increasing the current value for the first goal to record new progress. The progress percentage updates from the target and current values. The pointer also highlights the next action column, because a goal without a next action is only an intention. Connect each goal to a task or habit that can be completed this week. Progress Tracker brings tasks, habits, goals, and overdue items into one weekly review. Use this page once a week to see what improved and what needs adjustment. Then open Dashboard for the visual overview. The charts summarize workload, category mix, priority mix, habit completion, goal progress, and weekly trends. These are review pages, not data entry pages. Enter information in the source tabs and let the summaries update. That completes the core workflow. Start here and set up Define the System. Master Task Input stores the work. Today Auto and the ADHD Focus Board show the next actions. The planners organize time. Habit Tracker and Goal Tracker measure consistency and progress. Progress Tracker and Dashboard support the weekly review. Save your own working copy before editing. The same master workbook can be used in Excel or uploaded to Google Sheets.